Serving the people of Manipur has been an honor, said N. Biren Singh as he tendered his resignation as Chief Minister of Manipur. Gunmen loot 9 assault rifles ammunition from IRB outposts in Manipur's Thoubal district. Investigation and search operations underway. And Churachandpur district authorities destroy illicit poppy cultivation, seizing 10 poppy pods as evidence. Hello, you're watching IS Primetime English News. I'm Jay Xiaoinam, giving you the news in detail. Chief Minister Nongtong Biren Singh has tendered his resignation to the Governor of Manipur, Ajay Kumar Bala, late this evening. The resignation comes amidst rising political tensions in the state ahead of the Assembly session, where the opposition Congress is set to table a no-confidence motion against his government. In his resignation letter, Biren Singh expressed his gratitude to the people of Manipur and the central government for their support during his tenure. He highlighted the milestones achieved under his leadership, including safeguarding Manipur's territorial integrity, cracking down on border infiltration, deportation of illegal immigrants, and combating drugs and narco-terrorism. Biren Singh also emphasized the implementation of a stringent foolproof mechanism of FMR with biometric measures and faster border infrastructure development, which he urged the central government to continue pursuing. Serving the people of Manipur has been an honor. I sincerely request the central government to sustain its focus on safeguarding the interests of every Manipuri. Biren Singh wrote in his resignation letter. The resignation follows Biren Singh's hasty trip to Delhi, where he reportedly met Union Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss the ongoing political crisis. Upon his return to Imphal, Biren, accompanied by BJP's Northeast Coordinator Sambit Patra, BJP Manipur President A. Sarda, and several state ministers and MLAs submitted his resignation letter. Report of his resignation had been swirling since the meeting, and the official confirmation now marks a significant shift in Manipur's political landscape. Meanwhile, the fate of 11 MLAs facing disqualification and the upcoming no-confidence motion remained key focal points as the political drama in Manipur intensifies. It's noteworthy that, despite the resignation being accepted, he has been requested to continue as the caretaker chief minister until a new government is formed. With 19 MLAs backing him, according to sources, it indicates a strong base of support within the assembly. In a daring attack last night, unidentified gunmen looted a significant cache of weapons from an Indian Reserve Battalion IRB outpost in Kakmayai, Thoubal district. The armed assailants, arriving in multiple vehicles, overpowered personnel from both the IRB and the Manipur Rifle Station at the outpost. The attackers made off with at least 6 SLRs and 3 AK rifles, along with approximately 270 rounds of ammunition and 12 magazines, according to sources. The brazen has sent shockwaves through the region, promoting authorities to dispatch additional security forces to the area. Search operations are currently underway, with officials assuring that a thorough investigation is being conducted to track down the gunmen behind this audacious raid. Meanwhile, Manipur police have arrested 3 active members of insurgent outfits allegedly involved in extortion activities across different parts of the Imphal West district. In the first operation, the police apprehended Ningthaujam Khamba, also known as Nganba Maitei, age 52 years, from Nagamapal Kangjabi Leirak Machin near the public toilet under City Police Station. According to police Khamba, an active member of the RPF-PLA, was directly implicated in extorting money from rented houses and shops in the Nagamapal and Uripok areas. During the arrest, police recovered a two-wheeler, 2 mobile handsets, a wallet containing 510 rupees, and an Aadhaar card from his possession. In a separate case, 2 active members of the UNLF led by Bombay were arrested by Manipur police from Narankonjil near Chandranadi village in Imphal West. The arrested individuals were identified as Krishna Ronaldo Singh, aged 23 years, and Soram Ngoba Maitei, also known as Sanatomba, aged 30 years. Both were involved in extortion activities targeting the general public, government officials, and shopkeepers across the Greater Imphal area. They were also linked to the illegal smuggling of arms and ammunition for extortion purposes. From their possession, the police recovered a .32 caliber pistol with a magazine, a two-wheeler vehicle, 2 mobile phones, and a wallet containing 3,120 rupees. In a significant crackdown on illegal narcotics, the Churachandpur district magistrate, alongside the security forces and forest department, led a successful operation to destroy illicit poppy cultivation in Monglian village, located in a hill range under Sangaikot police station. During the operation, authorities dismantled approximately 5 acres of poppy fields, which could have yielded up to 25 kg of illegal opium. As part of the bust, 10 poppy pods were seized as crucial evidence. The coordinated effort marks a major victory in the fight against drug trafficking in the region, sending a strong message to those involved in the illicit drug trade. The Bombay-led UNLF Military Affairs Committee has extended greetings to the people of Manipur on the occasion of the 38th Foundation Day of its Army Wing, the Manipur People's Army MPA. In a statement issued by the Director of Publicity and Education, D.H. Cherairongba, the MPA was established on February 9, 1987 with the mission of reclaiming the state's sovereignty. The release paid tribute to the party leaders and MPA soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the cause and honored those enduring hardships due to atrocities committed by central forces. The UNLF also highlighted the significant impact of the MPA's armed campaign, particularly between 2003 and 2009, when over 50 battles were fought across various districts of Manipur. It emphasized that the conflict is a political struggle and not just a law and order issue. The statement further noted that the ceasefire agreement with India should not be seen as a sign of defeat, but as progress in the ongoing revolution. The MPA was urged to stay vigilant, adapt its strategies in response to changing security dynamics, and reaffirm its commitment to resisting the central forces and those destabilizing the state. The armed wing of the Koiring-led UNLF, the Manipur People's Army MPA, marked its 38th Rising Day today, reaffirming its unwavering commitment to the struggle for Manipur's sovereignty. A statement issued by its Secretary of Publicity, Central Committee, M. Sakhen, condemned India's alleged colonial policies and the use of Kuki militant groups to undermine Manipur's sovereignty, calling for greater unity among resistance groups, local volunteers and civilians to counter their strategy. The MPA urged village volunteers to lead efforts against Kuki armed groups, while its forces would handle larger military operations. It emphasized that the central forces remain the primary adversary, with engagements continuing as part of the broader liberation movement. The organization stressed the need for collective resistance and warned that failure to unite would lead to greater repression. The MPA paid tribute to fallen fighters, honored the families of martyrs, and acknowledged recent incidents, including an alleged drone attack on a revolutionary camp. It ended with a reaffirmation of its commitment to Manipur's liberation. At least 7 village volunteers from Tello under Lamlai Assembly constituency, Imphal East, were reportedly taken by state forces last night in a late-night raid. According to villagers, the incident occurred around midnight while the volunteers were sleeping. However, the Lamlai police station has denied any knowledge of the incident. The Tello Meira Paibi secretary, Thangjam Ongbi Chandani, confirmed the reports and condemned the alleged arbitrary pickup, emphasizing that these volunteers have been acting as protectors of civilians against Kuki militants, who the villagers claim are threatening their safety, while state and central forces have failed to intervene. The villagers are calling for the unconditional release of the 7 volunteers, demanding an end to such actions they believe are unjustified. The situation has sparked outrage in the local community, with calls for accountability and protection for those defending their people.
February tang nipan numidangi pung baro helakpa adaida akhudi khunga aga leijaba isasinga tumningaida mathong marang khangdana akhoi Manipurda leiba state force kaina laaga akhoi huralo landa laaga akhoi phaduna pubi khare aduna akhoi leiriba akhoi lamlai PS taju atopa maru oiba paam da pibiram de information da pibiram de akhoi na hanjarom tam da pibiram de harai aduna akhoi karamba kanona phari banu haibadu akhoi isa singi langa lingje fazana puthok biduna akhoi gi mama oibi singda akhoi gi sinabina ba haiduna akhoi nizari masi kari genu habda khurngai ba isa sing sisu makhoina tongdana moina thongdana thokona te akhoi gi government akhoi gi sarkar sina thoi bidaba dagi akhoi gi khurngai ba isa singjina akhoi gi praja myam sibu kandaba ya de haiduna thokcharak bani aduna ngasi akhoi gi phakhi ba isa sing asi condition amata yaudana akhoi athuba matamda akhoi mama sing akhoi sida sinabirangna ba haiduna thadok birangna ba haiduna niksingjari.
The Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI, organized its first consultation meeting on the ongoing Manipur crisis at its office in Imphal. The event, titled First Consultation Meet with Local Apex Body, Clubs and Meira Paibis on Manipur Crisis, brought together representatives from various Apex bodies, clubs and Meira Paibis to discuss and strategize on the current situation in the state. During the meeting, the coordinating body emphasized the need for unity and collective action in addressing the crisis, stressing that consistent efforts from community leaders and local organizations are crucial for resolving the ongoing issues. COCOMI highlighted that the involvement of the people is essential for the peaceful and sustainable progress of the state. The consultation also focused on strengthening collaborations between community groups and organizations to ensure the protection of Manipur's territorial integrity. COCOMI urged local bodies, including clubs and Meira Paibis, to continue their active role in supporting efforts to resolve the crisis successfully. The blessing ceremony for the highly anticipated Manipuri feature film Nungshi Thoi, Aigi Thoi, was held today at Kwagaithel Tokchom Laikai in Imphal, organized by Malang Kaithel Private Limited. The event took place at the BB Films Auditorium and was graced by cultural activists and prominent figures from the film industry. Senior actor Narendra Ningomba attended the ceremony as the chief guest, while Lokendra Takhelambam, President of the Cine Actors Guild Manipur, presided over the event as the president. The film's cast includes Ithoi Oinam, Jaljit Itho, Lokendra Takhelambam, Prem Sharma, Gini, and Ratan Angom, who were all present for the occasion. The film's story and screenplay were written by Thiam Hiro, with cinematography, direction and editing handled by BB Surjit. Bala Kuman served as the associate director, and the creative team was praised for their collaborative efforts in bringing the project to life. The 19th anniversary of Aikoi Lairik Ningthina Tamsi campaign of the Manipuri Students Federation (MSF) was held on today at the Millennium Institute of Science campus in Kwagaithel, Mayaikoibi. The event saw the participation of notable educational figures including Ahibam Raman, Director of the State Council of Education, Research and Training SCERT, Akham Joykumar, Chairman of BOSEM, Wahengam Janet, Principal of Millennium Institute of Science and MSF President Hijam Roshan Singh. In his address, Akham Joykumar highlighted the importance of providing quality education to students, stressing that the school should continue to focus on creating an environment conducive to learning. He emphasized the role of digital education and technology in enhancing teaching and learning, urging the adoption of modern methods to improve education in the state. MSF President Roshan Hizam also spoke during the ceremony, reflecting on the current challenges facing government schools. He stressed the need for transparency in teacher postings, calling for effective transfers and better facilities for students and educators alike. He expressed hope that the education system would continue to improve, ensuring that every child has access to a quality learning experience. MSF General Secretary Sundar Kuman delivered the keynote address, highlighting the initiative's inception on February 9, 2006. The campaign aimed to promote the current education system, enabling the reason to compete internationally. Since its inception, the student body has inspected various educational institutions, including private and government schools in both the valley and hill areas across Manipur. During these inspections, the MSF team assessed facilities such as infrastructure, laboratory conditions, teacher strength, and student concerns. They urged the concerned authorities to provide adequate necessities. Sundar Kuman emphasized the organization's activities, including competitions like essay writing, debates, symposia, and seminars on social issues. MSF has also provided humanitarian assistance to students from various family backgrounds facing financial constraints in pursuing courses like medicine, computer science, and civil services. The ceremony concluded with a call to support and uplift educational institutions as well as to address the pressing issues of school infrastructure and teaching standards across the region.
ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯗꯤꯖꯤꯇꯦꯜ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯈꯪꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯠ ꯑꯄꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯠꯇꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯒꯦ ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯒꯦ ꯀꯔꯤ infrastructure ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯞꯇꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯧꯍꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯈꯔꯗ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯈꯪꯍꯜꯂꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯟꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯅ ꯇꯝꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ
ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯝꯄꯦꯟ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯔꯚꯦ ꯆꯠꯂꯤ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯃꯁ꯭ꯌꯥ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯐꯔ ꯄꯣꯁꯇꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯃꯝꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯐꯔ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯇꯗ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯐꯔ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯁꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯠꯍꯟꯒꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯒꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯒꯗꯧꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯇꯝꯒ ꯆꯨꯅꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯗꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ
Waiko Mani Girls College in Thoubal Okram celebrated its 45th Foundation Day in a vibrant event held at the college seminar hall. The celebration was marked by speeches and the recognition of achievements in academic excellence. The event was attended by Superintendent of Police Thoubal Dr. Sarangthem Ibomcha, Professor Hanjaba Manoranjan Sarma, Principal of Waikomani Girls College, Professor Hanjabam Shukadeva Sharma, Director of the College Development Council at Manipur University, and Waikom Ranjit, President of Waikomani Girls College General Body. The ceremony acknowledged the contributions of the founding members and faculty in shaping the institution's legacy, with special tributes to those who have served in the college's journey. The event also highlighted the college's success in fostering academic research, as several faculty members presented research papers in reputed journals. To mark the occasion, the college presented gold medals, certificates, and awards to students and faculty members for their academic achievements. Dr. Sarangtem Ibomcha, in his speech, emphasized the importance of education and the role of teachers in nurturing young minds. He also commended the college's efforts in maintaining academic excellence and discipline, urging the students to continue their hard work and contribute to society's progress. In a fierce encounter that took place in the forest under the National Park area of Chhattisgarh, Bijapur district, 2 security personnel and 31 Maoists were reportedly killed. Initially, the toll of Maoists was reported to be 12, but later, Buster IGP Sundaraj confirmed that the number has risen to 31. The operation, which began at noon on Sunday, comes just a week after 8 Maoists were killed in another security operation in the same district. According to IG Sundaraj, 2 security personnel, including one from the District Reserve Guard and another from the Special Task Force, lost their lives in the gunfight, while 2 others were injured. This security operation aligns with the central government's commitment to end Naxalism by 2026, a pledge reiterated by Union Home Minister Amit Shah on January 6. That statement followed an earlier attack where Maoists used an IED to target a vehicle, resulting in the deaths of 8 DRG Jawans and 1 driver. Before we end, the headlines once again. The outpost in Manipur's Thobal district. Investigation and search operations underway. And Churachandpur district authorities destroy illicit poppy cultivation, seizing 10 poppy pods as evidence. That's all we have in this English Primetime Bulletin. Next we have IS Primetime Manipuri News at 9 p.m. Till then, good night.